Upgrading your Mazda's stereo system just got simpler with the Scosche wiring harness designed specifically for 1991 and newer models. This harness includes both power and speaker wires, each clearly labeled for its exact function. That means no more guessing or cutting into your factory wiring. Everything matches perfectly, following the EIA standard wiring color codes. For over 40 years, Scosche has earned a reputation for producing high-quality, affordable car stereo accessories. Their wiring harnesses are no exception. Each product is engineered to meet strict standards, ensuring you get reliable performance without the headache of complicated installs or mismatched connections. What sets this wiring harness apart is the attention to detail. The clear labels and color coding help you connect your stereo quickly and correctly, saving you time and frustration. Plus, since it's designed to fit your Mazda's factory harness, you avoid damaging your vehicle's original wiring, preserving its value and function. Beyond the product itself, Scosche offers lifetime tech support. That means if you ever have questions or run into any issues, their knowledgeable team is just a call or email away. This ongoing support gives you confidence that you're not alone during your installation process. One satisfied customer shared how this harness was the perfect match for their 2002 Mazda Tribute after weeks of searching. Even though the color coding was slightly different than expected, it worked flawlessly, proving Scosche's commitment to compatibility and quality. If you're considering a car stereo upgrade for your Mazda, this wiring harness is worth a look. It delivers what you need: a perfect fit, straightforward installation, and the peace of mind that comes with expert support. No more cutting factory wires or second-guessing your connections. When you choose the Scosche wiring harness, you're investing in a hassle-free upgrade that respects your vehicle's integrity. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Mazda, so you can enjoy your new stereo without any unexpected surprises. Try it when you're ready to make your Mazda stereo installation smooth and reliable. With Scosche, you get a product that's built to last and backed by decades of experience. That's a smart choice for anyone who values quality and ease.